resurrection. That's really what's going on. That's the truth. You are rich. I'm over.
It's almost too easy. I kind of remember making the song and predicting a resurrection. Just remember that for some reason. And we are great. That's a nice chart, eh? Not a bad 5 days. It's always nice to start 2019 with 6 green days in a row in the cannabis sector. Yeah, 6 green days in a row in 2019 in the cannabis sector. Like, it's hilarious. Pretty sure I was the only one who predicted this. Unless you guys know anyone else making songs about a cannabis stock resurrection. And what happens to be number 1? GGB? No, you don't say. My goodness. Didn't I predict green growth brands would shock the world? Didn't I say they would go to $7? Because they need to be at $7 to acquire Afria? Well, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I mean, didn't I just talk about green growth brands yesterday? Pretty sure I did. Pretty sure I brought you guys the news first. And bam! My goodness. It is now officially up 100% since I brought them first. Look at this. It's actually up 1,600% since December 13th, actually. Just so you know. I don't know. I just like to bring you guys the winners first, man. Like, look at that. Like that's just a thing of beauty. That's just a thing of beauty. I do enjoy that. I'm not gonna lie. Where's all the people that said, oh, green growth brands can't get to $7? I'm like, they will get to $7 because they have to if they want Afria. That's pretty big motivation. Would you agree? I don't know, man. I don't know if there's anybody else out there that does what I do, but man, I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna show you pick after pick after pick that I told you guys were at the bottom and have all exploded. And I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to let the results do the talking, okay? Let's let the numbers and the results do the talking. How about that? I don't even got to say much no more. The results speak for themselves, man. Who else is giving you guys all these picks absolutely free before they explode? It's a little bit ridiculous. It's getting a little bit ridiculous. At the very least you guys could do is smash the like button. And if you're a shorter and you're getting squeezed, like, I get it. I get it. I understand your pain. I do. And I told you guys not to short the cannabis stocks, but you don't want to listen. You want to attack them. You want to call them names. You want to say they're trash. Are they trash? Are they really? Would you call green growth brands anything other than magic? I mean, all I've done is mark this all the way up for you guys, and all they do is just keep going higher. I mean, $5.54. Do you still think $7 is impossible? Does anybody still think that $7 is impossible? That's what I want to know. That's the $1 million question. Does anybody think that $7 is not possible when everybody knows they have to get to $7 to acquire Afria. I don't know. Look at that. That's silly. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. Is a 1 month chart? No. This can't be the 1 month chart. This is the 5-day chart. Just walking up. So in the last 5 days, it's gone from 425 to 554. Hello? I've been talking about it every day, and it just keeps going higher. I'm going to show you guys some more picks that just keep going higher, because this is getting a little bit funny. This is starting to get funny, and members are starting to make money. They're starting to see the trend. They're starting to see that what I'm saying actually works, okay? Because if you buy red and sell green, you will set yourself up for success. And there's many, many, many companies out there right now that are popping, and there's a reason for it. And they don't have huge news. There's nothing special and no reason why they should be popping. Yeah, some news is okay, but honestly, the only reason why they're popping, I'm going to tell you guys right now, is because they hit the floor. And there's a reason why I put that song out, man. I'm going to make you guys listen to it again. I got to make you guys listen to it again. Honestly, because I don't think people are really listening.
Cannabis stocks.
I keep saying it over and over and over again. People don't want to listen. I mean, like, that's a lot of green. Like, look at all this green. And it's every day. It's every single day.
Haters and they trolls, they try to get the lawyers, they try to put lawsuits on these companies.
Unbelievable.
Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction.
This power here today is just impressive. Look at that power.
That's really what's going on.
I was talking to you guys about them yesterday. Would you guys like to see the evidence of my video yesterday? Because I'm pretty sure I told you guys about this first. Remember, I said the news wasn't even on OTC markets yet. This cannabis sector is pretty exciting. What about Namaste? Namaste. Namaste has been on fire. I'm actually going to be going to a conference today, and Namaste will be there, and Sean Dollinger will be speaking. So I will be making videos, and yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated on what's going on. And there's a huge conference here in Vancouver I'm going to try to attend called the Lift Conference, where there's lots and lots of companies right now. So it's going to be here all weekend, and hopefully I'll get a chance to mingle with some people and show you guys what's popping. But right here, I want to show you guys what's up here with Namaste, because this is just impressive. I mean, this chart's ridiculous. Like, look at this. So they hit their bottom, which I marked, at 76 cents. So since December 21st, they're up more than 100%. Okay? That is how you trade. Buy red, sell green. Is that not the rich system? Buy red, sell green. Buy at a 52-week low, sell at a 52-week high. Or sell when you see at least 10% or more returns. That's the rich system. So this is the 52-week low. You can see it on the chart. Charts don't lie, but people do. And what's the 52-week high? Way higher than where we're at. It's a 373. We're currently at 155. Do I believe we will go back to those highs? Absolutely we will. It's not even a question in my mind. When? I have no idea. We could go back down. We could go up. Honestly, I have no idea. But I promise you, we will break 52-week highs, because that's what these cannabis stocks do. I mean, just look at their charts. Every year, they break 52-week highs. They break 52-week lows. They go up and down. They're very volatile. That's what they do. This industry is all about volatility. And once you realize that and you learn how to position yourself accordingly, and learn that you want to be buying these dips and buying the 52-week lows and selling the 52-week highs, that's how you become a great trader. And then the next part of that recipe is you have to invest in great companies. They have to be great companies. I'm going to show you a great company that's just been on fire today. It's just mind-bogglingly crazy how good they've been doing today. I mean, wow, really? Like, that's some serious popping right there. So big day for Canopy, up 9%. We're gonna mark this. So you can see they've been much higher. I just want to see the 1 month. Let's look at the 1 month chart.
We don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the legalized. Earth be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We
If you bought the dip on Canopy Growth, congratulations. We're gonna mark this.
We will always patient. Cannabis for you and me and all the nations.
I always like to look at the month chart so you can kind of see what's happened in the last 30 days. You get a good idea to see the sentiment.
I know we buying in the red. That's the
See, this is the crazy thing. I'm talking about buying the right of my music. Like, I don't know how many times I got to say the same thing over and over. But I'm going to mark this. So it's been as high as $33 CGC in the last month. So it's pretty close to the high of the month. So I want you guys to really start learning how to mark these. This is the low of the month, $25. So obviously if it goes back down to $25, that's where I would be looking to buy on this chart. Now that it's at the high of the month, close to the high of the month, I'm always a little bit hesitant, right? And obviously it's jumped 9% today. So, there's people that are going to be profit taking here, I'm sure. But you could see the chart here, like there's a lot of power. And this is actually saying it's going higher. Based on this momentum and this power, and all these indicators are pointing up. This is a very bullish signal for Canopy Growth. Very, 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 very bullish. Very bullish. Well, look at this. Canopy Growth soars as Piper Jaffray recommends the cannabis stock. Stocks climbed 9% on Wednesday after Piper Jaffray analyst Michael Lavery initiated coverage on the Canadian cannabis company and Tilray Inc. Lavery said in a research note to investors that the global cannabis market has the potential to reach $15 billion to $50 billion in the near term and $250 billion to $500 billion on the long term. Man, I've been saying this since 2 years now. So it's funny. It's funny. People are coming out saying this in the stock pops. I've been saying this for 2 years now, man. It's funny. It's kind of funny. So, yeah, we're going to continue to find the winners, and we're going to continue to bring the biggest and the baddest companies in the universe. Another one of the biggest and the baddest companies in the universe is Aurora Cannabis, which happens to be up today, 2.78%. And let's pull up their chart. So I made a video yesterday talking about Aurora Cannabis's revenue. 2 analysts came out and said that they missed targets. Okay. I also came out and told you guys I bought some Aurora Cannabis, and I'll continue to buy Aurora Cannabis because they are the leader as far as revenue so far. Now, some people are saying, oh, other people are going to beat their revenue. There's going to be more revenue. Okay, well, until that happens, these guys are still number one. And they're also in 24 countries worldwide. So until anybody else gets to 24 countries, these guys are the leader. Okay? So in my opinion, I believe Aurora has a bright future. Their revenue speaks to that. Their partnerships speak to that. Their countries that they're operating in and they're licensed in and they're doing business in speaks to that. And I believe they will continue to climb. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to show you guys their chart. It's still near the bottom. Look at that. So I've been charting this and I've been marking this. It's near the bottom, guys. So this is the time for me to load up, because that's when you want to buy stocks, when they're at the bottom, right? I mean, let's look at a stock that's popping right now. Huge. It's up 7%. So if you look at their 1 year chart, and you'll see they've been higher. Right? They've been higher. They've been lower, which I've been marking, right? I'm going to mark this. They've been lower. They've been higher. This is the low kind of. This is the high, 90 cents area. And we're kind of starting to climb here. Why? What's the reason? Look at that power. See the power, how it's growing? See, these are the indicators that I build into my software here because I want to see power. Right now, FSD Pharma is shooting right up. FSD Pharma has power right now. FSD Pharma has power right now. So there's a reason why these companies move. It's not because of me, okay? It's because the institutional investors that have invested in these companies, whether it's public or private, on the stock market, or as insiders that have taken a position into the company, a large stake, they got to make money. And the only way they can make money is if the stock goes up. That's just the way it goes. Yeah, they can make money, shorting the stock too. But these companies don't make the majority, a lot of institutions don't make the majority of their money publicly shorting. A lot of them make money on equities like Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett. He just doesn't short stocks. He just buys stocks and holds. Looks for undervalued companies, waits for them to explode. What do you think we're doing here? I've been telling you guys this for 2 years. This cannabis sector will only get bigger. Why? Because there's people all over the world that want cannabis, and they're going to legalize it. So instead of people being in the black market, which they've been forever, it's now going to go public. And as it goes public and as it becomes more mainstream and as it becomes more accepted, all that's going to happen is these stocks are going to go higher. And what's going to happen is your boy Rich is going to identify it for you. So you can just come here and see all the winners every day. I mean, it's that simple because that's what we're going to do. I want to show you a stock that's just been on fire. And yeah, maybe they're down a little bit today. People are taking their profits. But this 1 month chart is impressive. I mean, it's pretty ridiculous. So it was at, and I marked this, it was at, on December 20th, 64 cents. Right now it's at $1.27. So do you see how these stocks hit bottoms? And who do you think's buying it when it's down here? It's the big institutions that want to position themselves in this company because they believe that it's going to go way higher. So even though it's going down right now, the indicators are still pointing up. All my indicators are still pointing up, showing sign of strength, even though it's coming down. On the 1 day right now, the indicators are pointing down. So be careful if you're in this right now. You might have to consider taking your profits. But that's what they do. They go up and down and all around. And that's how market makers make money. They make markets. Okay? You have to understand. This is a game. Okay? And it's like the casino. And usually in the casino, the house always wins. And why does the house win in this game? Because there's people that are day traders, market makers, retail investors, brand new investors that really don't know anything. So what are they going to do? They're going to panic, right? I even have a song for them, right? I have a song for them. I'm going to show you that song. And this is why I made this song. There's a reason. Everything is strategic, right? This is not by luck. You think by luck we made these songs? Yo, this is not by luck, eh? This is strategic, people. When you see a stock go all the way down, and it's Aurora 2.0, you know it's going to fly. It's just a matter of time. So when it was down and everybody was saying it was garbage, I was saying it was a buying opportunity. This is why I make these songs. Oh yeah, Green Growth Brands is a poppin'. It's a poppin'. All it's done is go up. I mean, how could you not love this stock? Show me a better stock than this. All it's ever done is go up. It's never gone down. I mean, have you ever seen a stock that never goes down? Green Growth Brands. And didn't your boy bring this to you first? I'm pretty sure I brought this to you first. You know what? I want to bring you guys the evidence, man, because I don't think you guys believe me, man. I don't think you guys believe me. I don't think you guys believe me. So I'm going to find the evidence right now because I just have to. Have to. It's what I do. It's just what I do. Just bring the evidence. Kevin O'Leary just advertising everywhere, eh? This guy. Too funny. Too funny. So let's just do a search. Rich TV Live Green Growth Brands. Just like that. That's all you got to do, guys. You want to see the evidence. I mean, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It's that simple. You just search. you just go and you search, and bam. Let's see, 3 weeks ago, 1 week ago, man. So while this stock's been going up, I've been talking about it, right? Green growth brands to commence trading on the OTCQB. Oh, 1 month ago, here we go. Stocks to buy, green growth brands, GGB. Ooh, let's see this one. New IPO, green growth brands debuts on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Oh, that looks like a new, like the first video maybe. Let's see. Let's see the price. Let's just see the price.
Hey guys, this is your boy Rich here on behalf of Rich TV Live, and we have a new IPO launching today in 45 minutes.
Oh.
Green growth brands
to
debut on the CSE with some.
That would mean
GGB
I was first.
Today, November 13th.
Does that mean I was
Take a look
first?
at some of the big news. This came out on November 9th.
November 9th.
Xanthic Biopharma, formerly
What's the price? I don't even show the price.
Resources Inc.
Wow.
And
I don't even show
Green
the price.
Growth Brands Inc. GGB, which will be the new symbol of the.
I didn't even show the price there in that video. I'm going to show you the price here. I just love to bring you guys the evidence.
Hey guys, it's
I
Rich
love to
Today
bring
I
you
did a
guys the
video
evidence.
bringing
Man.
you
I'm
Green
telling you guys what
Growth
to buy every
Brands,
day. I mean,
announcing that they just received.
I can't tell you what to
7
buy, but I'm
licenses
telling
from
you
the
what I
state of
think
Nevada.
is going to go
Okay.
up.
And based
every
on this
day
news,
if you're
it's literally
listening.
trending everywhere. You can
I
see
mean,
right here, boom.
I
Green
do
Growth
top 10
Brands
lists
with 7
every single
Nevada
month.
cannabis
I show you guys all the
breaking
momentum,
news
all the
everywhere.
picks.
I brought it to you guys first. And after I brought you this video, the stock wasn't up. It was just
Listen.
kind of even. When I did the video, it was at $2.99. Bam! Finished up the day $10.
There it is.
Sorry, up 10.42%.
So when I did the first video, it was at $2.99. Then I did this video, it was at $3.18. Okay? So understand, your boy brought this first, and that's in Canada. I'm going to show you the Canadian symbol. I'm showing you right now the American price. It was $2.99 in Canada. Okay? For some reason, it's up 10% in Canada and only 2% in America. So it's at now $5.50 since my first video. Honestly though, guys, seriously, can you guys show me anyone else on YouTube that's doing this? Because I would like to go watch them and get some picks. If you guys know anybody that's doing this, can you drop it in the comment section here? Just seriously, I just want to know, like, is there anybody else? I don't care if they have 0 subscribers. I don't care if they have 1 million subscribers. Is there anybody else that's bringing picks that are going up like this? I just need to know. For my own, like, so I can bring you guys more picks, right? Like, there's a reason why I'm asking. Like, I want more picks so I can bring it to you guys. That's what we do, right? So, I don't know, man. I mean, it's been going up when nothing was going up, and now everything's going up, and it's still going up, so I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to say. So, let's take a look at Afria. So, Afria has some big news that I haven't even looked at it, really. But I know they had some big news about Shoppers Drug Mart. And let's see, they're up 1.95%. And I'm going to mark this because I want to show you guys why I think Afria is a buy. Afria, in my opinion, is a buy. Why? It's been as high as $13.33. It's now at $6.45. Look at the way it's starting to bounce back in the last month. You see this chart? See how it's starting to walk up? See how I marked it here on December 21st? See the trend? They were all down December 21st. They've all climbed since then. And see how it shot up from $4.71 to where it is today, which is the highest it's been in the last month. $6.50. Now 2.69% up. So this is what I'm trying to show you guys. Like, I can't tell you guys what to buy, all right? You guys need to buy your own picks. You need to do your own due diligence, do your own research. Remember, I am not a licensed advisor, okay? I'm just like you guys. I bleed. If you cut me, I bleed, right? And I am learning the markets like you guys. I am not an expert. I'm not licensed. I am not the best trader in the universe. I am just the guy that has the best community in the universe. You guys. You guys make us the best. And because of that, we are only going to get bigger. In fact, we are going to go to a conference today and make a video of Namaste, which happens to be one of the hottest stocks right now. So there's a reason why the universe is supporting Rich TV Live right now. There's a reason why we are fending off all the haters, all the trolls. There's a reason why. You know, there's a reason why we make songs like Don't Panic and then the stocks explode. You think everything doesn't happen for a reason? Where's all the haters now? Like, seriously, where are they? They only come out when things go their way. But when things go the other way, they disappear. Let me ask you a question. When everything was down, did I disappear? Or did I just keep coming out here today and keep telling you guys that they were going to explode? That I keep telling you guys that they were going to explode? That I keep telling you guys that they were going to explode? Why are they going to explode? Because they're making money. Why are they going to explode? Because people like weed. Why are they going to explode? Because people like and need CBDs. Why are they going to explode? The whole world wants this. Why are they going to explode? Because they're making money. Why are they going to explode? Because they're making more money every quarter, quarter after quarter. Why are they going to explode? Because they're just figuring it out. Why are they going to explode? Because it's only going to get bigger. Why is it going to get bigger? Because it's just getting started. Like, I mean, I really don't know what else to say. We've been 9 days into 2019, and we are blessed with 6 green days in a row in the cannabis sector. Like, are you kidding me? 2019 has been a dream. Now, if there's any picks that we need to look at right now, please give them to me now, guys. If you want me to stay live, smash that like button, okay? And share this video everywhere. I'll stay live as long as you guys want me to stay live, but you gotta smash that like button. You gotta support the channel, okay? If you support me, I will support you. If not, I gotta go. There's things to do. Honestly, there's people to see. I gotta go to a conference. Sean Dollinger will be speaking shortly. I gotta go. But if you smash the like button, you might entice me to stay. And if you share this video, and I mean share it everywhere, like Stockhouse, go into Investors Hub, wherever, you know, I'm talking about these companies that are popping, and put the videos there, you know, like, this is how these videos will go viral. Understand, go to Yahoo Finance, drop these videos there. We got to work together, guys, because I'm talking about your picks, right? You want the picks to go up? I want the picks to go up. So let's talk about it. Let's be about it. Let's share the news. Let's share the winners. Let's give people hope. Let's give people freedom. That's why I'm doing this. I told you guys I'm not the best trader, eh? Not the best trader. That's not my goal in life, to be the best trader. Okay, my goal in life is to have freedom and to help others get freedom. That's my goal. And we're going to do that. I promise you. And we've started to. There's members that are winning every single day because they're learning how to buy low and sell high. They are learning how to be snipers. They are learning how to be ninjas. A lot of them are better traders than me. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm going to keep telling you guys this. A lot of you will be way better traders than me. You might say, oh yeah, Rich, that's not true. Let me ask you a question. How can I trade when I'm live? I can't. So that's not how I trade. I trade different, you know. I'm more like Warren Buffett. I'm just going to buy it. I'm going to hold. If I see 10% or more, I'm always going to think about taking it. Because then it's like the casino's paying me. So why am I not going to take my payday? I'm going to thank the stock gods for my daily bread, and I'm going to take it. You know, this is CVSI. We'll mark it right here. So this is another company that's been way, way higher. I like this company, and they're big in the CBDs. So CVSI, you can see here. We're going to look at the one-year chart. I'm going to mark this. It's crazy. So it's been as high as $7, and it's been as low recently as $3.58. It's currently at $4.39. Closer to the low recently than the high. I think this company has huge upside. And I think we could easily see the stock go back to $7. That's my opinion. When? I don't know. Do I think it can happen? Absolutely. Why? These stocks have a tendency to go to their high highs and their low lows. During the year, sometime in 2019, CV Sciences will have a run. Why? There are institutional investors, day traders, speculators, short traders, whales, hedge funds that own this stock. They're going to buy it, they're going to sell it, they're going to short it. That's how they make money. So they got to go up and they got to go down. That's what they do. So I really want you guys to understand that there's a pattern to all of this. And if you learn to really master in the pattern of just one stock, you'll be able to make money. And not every stock has the same pattern. That's what makes it difficult. It's not that easy. It's kind of funny, I was talking about Aurora, now they're climbing up 3.58%. But this is why I really love Aurora. Last year, there was 2 different times where it hit in America $11.75. 2 different times. There was also 2 times where it went really down to $4.32. So you see what it does? It goes all the way up, hits high highs, comes all the way down, hits low lows, comes all the way up, hits high highs, comes all the way down, hits low lows. And look where I've been marking it. It's right around the low low. I mean, I marked these for a reason. Now, you can't just look at a chart and say, oh, wow, it's at the low low, let me buy it. It has to be a good company. Aurora Cannabis is a good company. People are going to say, oh, well, Aurora Cannabis has 1 billion shares. Well, how many shares does Apple have? And Apple has the largest market cap in the world, over $1 trillion. So how, or did have the largest market cap in the world, over $1 trillion, until the last recent fall. I don't know if they do right now. I'd have to look at it. But they are a company, Aurora Cannabis, that is going to probably be in 50 to 100 countries. Just think about that. They're already in 24 countries. You think they don't want global domination? They came out yesterday on Bloomberg TV and Bloomberg Radio and said they don't want to sell. They're a buyer. They want to acquire the smaller companies. They're in the game of acquiring smaller companies. Wow, as we speak, Huge is now exploding. I told you guys they had power. They are now at 40 cents. Huge is exploding. Wow, look at this. Huge is exploding. They are now at 40 cents. They are up 12%. I told you guys not to panic. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and sell high. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You're looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You're looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all you know? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Told you not to panic, man. Can you imagine the calls to the attorneys now? Get the wheels in motion. Damn, I can imagine those calls to the attorneys. I expect a lot of attorneys and companies coming out with all kinds of lawsuits because everything is popping. Everything's popping. Everything's popping. The shorters are getting squeezed. It's true. The shorters are getting squeezed. Oh my goodness. My goodness, the shorters be getting squeezed. Actually, I want to put a song up for the trolls because I don't see any trolls. Yo, trolls, where you at, man? Come out, trolls. I'll put a song. Maybe if I put a song out, they'll come out. So I'll put the song out for the trolls. I might as well. Because we troll hunt here. But in order to hunt, you got to bring them out, right? You got to bring out the trolls. Back for the win. World is on fire. Green growth brands on full alert. Woo! That's a lot of strong buys, eh? Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Damn. Damn. Patience, man. Patience. 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 These companies. Oh, look who's popping. Hip. Hip is coming from the dead. Up 8%. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Who else is popping? Namaste. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Is just going up every day. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Fire had some big news today. Big news for Fire. You want to hear the Fire news? I'll bring you the Fire news. Check this out. Right. Supreme Cannabis receives conditional approval to list on the Toronto Stock Exchange. I say pardon? You don't say. You know, it's funny. I had a lot of people saying that people should sell for a loss. Coming onto my channel and telling people to sell for a loss when the markets were down, and I really didn't enjoy that. I said, why would you tell people to sell for a loss, man? And now everything is popping. So if you sold for a loss and now your stocks are popping, like, how do you feel? That shit's the worst. That shit's the worst. Supreme Cannabis, or the company, TSXV Fire, OTCQX SPRWF, and in Frankfurt, 53S1, announced today that it has received conditional approval from the Toronto Stock Exchange, the TSX, to graduate from the TSX Venture Exchange and list its common shares on the TSX. Graduating to the TSX will broaden our investment appeal and leave us well positioned to execute on our strategic imperatives for 2019, which is why we're pleased to add this milestone to our list of accomplishments for the year. Our company had a banner year that is headlined by our wholly owned subsidiary, 7 Acres, generating the 6th highest revenue among Canadian licensed cannabis producers this past quarter. I like that. I like this new CEO, Navdeep Dhaliwal. Navdeep Dhaliwal, I would like to invite you onto Rich TV Live. If you are watching, and I'm sure that you have investors that are watching, and if you guys want, please contact Navdeep. Let him know. I would like to invite you onto Rich TV Live and learn more about what you guys are doing. I love what you guys did with Wiz Khalifa. I think that that's very similar to what Canopy Growth did with Snoop Dogg. And I would love to talk to you about the reverse split. I think you guys should not do a reverse split. I think you guys should avoid a reverse split at all costs, please. And I believe you guys can be very successful without a reverse. So hopefully you guys are watching. And Navdeep, love to have you guys on the show. You're doing a great job. I commend you on your service as the CEO of Supreme Cannabis. You have been a huge success since you've come on, and the stock has responded accordingly. Let's take a look at it, actually. I love the symbol Fire. I just like looking at the Canadian symbol. It's SPRWF in America, but I just like Fire. I like the name. I like the symbol. You know, can't get better than Fire. But let's take a look at the one-year chart. So you can see it's been higher than this. It's been as high as $2.25. I believe it'll go back there and beyond, especially if they don't do a reverse. And it's been as high as $2.89. So I still believe this bad boy's got legs to run, and it's a great company. Now you got Wiz Khalifa behind it. I mean, you guys are destined for greatness. But when you start talking about reverse splits, man, that's crazy talk. I'll tell you right now, that's just some crazy talk. So $1.19 is the low, and $2.90 is the high. We're currently at 169, kind of right around the middle. I like this stock. Would I buy it right now? I would definitely consider it. You know, considering they're going to be listing on the Toronto Stock Exchange, that's pretty big news. I mean, that's pretty huge news. Is there a date? Yeah, right here. He's talking about it. Look, I just talked about it. We are eager to build on these accomplishments and make significant advancements by cementing 7 Acres as a leading premium flower brand, establishing export channels for Medigrow, launching jointly developed products with Wiz Khalifa, there it is, Khalifa Kush Enterprises, and more in 2019. Like, that's just big time. Big time. Big time. So, they don't have a date here. That's what I was looking for. I don't see a date. But the stock's gone up, which is good, and they're putting out news, and they're making headlines, and they're acquiring huge brands and celebrity rap moguls to help build their brand in the cannabis sector. That's the way to do it. That's how you do it. This is SPRWF in America. And let's take a look at the 5-day chart. I mean, look at that 5-day chart. Like, is that not a thing of beauty? This has been absolutely beautiful to start 2019. From 96 cents all the way to $1.28 where they are right now. So, I mean, what sector would you want to be in if you're not in the cannabis sector? I mean, I don't know. If you guys have another sector that's better, please let me know. But I'm going to continue to focus in the cannabis sector because I really believe that this is where the power is. If you guys think that I'm wrong and you would like to challenge me, please let me know. If you know another sector that's better, please let me know because I just want to make money. I don't really care what sector it is. But, you know, I've been predicting all these stocks for a long time. You can see all my videos. And Canopy Rivers, that's a lot of strong buys. And I told you guys there, Canopy Growth 2.0, Canopy Rivers up 8% today, now up to $3.90. They're starting to climb. And AUSA, which is Aurora Cannabis 2.0, they've started to climb. So these companies are making moves. I hope you're awake. I hope you see what's going on here. I hope you realize what we're having here. This is a massive bull market to start 2019. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it right now. This is it. I'm calling it. I'm calling it first. We are in a bull market in the cannabis sector. Buy red. This is where you buy. In the red. But only the good companies that are red. If they're a shit company, don't even think about buying it. They're in red because they suck. The big companies that are red are the ones you need to consider. That's where you buy. But all the biggest and the best are green. Oh, Kush bottles. They're a little bit red today. That's one I would consider buying. Buds. BVO. All companies that are great companies that are a little bit red today. These are the ones that I would consider buying. James E. Wagner, love them. Consider buying them, yes. Chemistry, CHM, would I consider buying them? Yes. These are all companies. Golden Leaf Holdings, would I consider buying them? Yes. These are all the good companies that I like that are red. WWE, love them. Would I buy them in the red? Yes. These are the days where you want to buy in the red. I don't do this for the clout. Ooh, Curaleaf. Every time you see a company you like in the red, that's a gift. Learn to look at it as a gift. Are we getting rich? Ianthus. They're red. I would consider buying Ianthus in the red because for me, these are the good companies. This is how I look at the whole market, how I scan the market. AUSA, down 3%. Will it pop up or is it going to come back down now? This is the game. This is a game, people. Afria Health. Woo, like it. But they started talking about a reverse too. Why are you guys talking crazy about reverses, man? Stop that nonsense. Sproutly is down slightly. Maybe the time to buy. Buy red. And now we're going to start moving into green. Start looking at the green. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, man. It's pretty crazy what's happening right now. 6 green days in a row to start 2019. It's pretty glorious. It's pretty glorious.
This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Rich TV Live, we bring you the picks and the hits.
These are all the green ones. We showed you the red. Now we'll show you the green. Let's go. ISH at 18 cents. Pure at 18 cents. Radiant Technologies under $1 at 96 cents. Canada House Wellness, CHV, I love them, at 15 cents. Indiva, NDVA, love them, at 44 cents. Naturally Splendid, NSP, love them, at 14 cents. Kronos Group, love them, at 12 bucks, kind of a little high. I wouldn't buy it, but I love them. Saniva, the gift that keeps on giving in 2019, at 377. I love them. Love them. Even at these prices, love them. Saniva, 496 in Canada. Hemp Inc. at 325, up 4%. CanTrust, TRST, love them at 780. Love them. Rivers, up 8%. I love them. Huge is popping at 40 cents. Love them, up 12%. Canopy Growth at $42 in Canada, up 8%. Love them. Namaste. NXTTF in America, up 8% in America. Green Growth Brand, still up 10%. GGB. ANFI, Amira Natural Foods, up 9%. World, up 11%. Eve & Co, EVE, up 14%. KG, up 11%. Chemesis, CSI, up 15%. Wow. Why would anybody do a reverse? Do they even watch Rich TV Live? Like, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Why would you even think about doing a reverse split? There's a word for it. Silly. I even have a song for people that do silly things. I have a song about being silly. Like, why are you being silly? Stop it. Just stop it. Unbelievable. Fire is a 32% buy on bar chart. Namaste is a 24% buy on bar chart. We are starting to build momentum. Do you see how the strong buys are starting to grow? Silly. Ooh, Canopy Growth is still a weak sell, even though it is up 8%. It is building momentum, people. We are in a bull market in the cannabis sector. 6 green days in a row. Yo, the T-Dot. What's up, man? Respect. Look at this. Aurora Cannabis is a 56% sell Bar chart. See how I'm going against bar chart? Why am I going against bar chart? I want to know what you guys think. Why am I going against bar chart? Why would I go against bar chart? Afria is a 16% sell. I'm trying to buy them before they go strong buy. I want to buy it before it goes to strong buy. So I want to get it right at the tail end. When it was like 100% sell, like a month ago, now it's like that 100% sell is like 16% sell or 50% sell, or it's a strong buy, or it's a little buy. It's like 8% buy, 16% buy, 20% buy. It's building momentum, starting to build momentum. That's the key. You want to get in right when it's getting started. And I'm telling you, I mean, I made music about it. I talked about it. I mean, you know, we did predict this. You know, this is not, I don't think it should be surprising to anybody. We did predict this. So we kind of knew this was going to happen. And yeah, man, we're in a bull market in the cannabis sector. And I'm going to give you the picks before they're even on fire, because I want to find the bottom, and I'm buying red. I know buying red is scary, but it's the way it works. That's how you win. Why don't you answer your own question? Should you sell for a loss? Answer your own question. Like, why would I ever tell anybody to sell for a loss? That's like saying, it's like my kid saying, hey, Dad, if a kid punches me in the face, should I just take it? What do you think I'm going to tell my kid? I think you know the answer. I love T-God, man. Love T-God. I love me some T-God. At $2.48, this baby is gonna fly. It's going to fly. It's the lowest it's ever been. Look at this. You think this ain't gonna go up? You think this bad boy ain't gonna go up? This bad boy's going up. This bad boy's going up. This bad boy's going up, man. Trust me. The lowest it's been is 240. We're at 248. My goodness. I want to go buy this right now. Varun. Okay, I got a song for you, my friend. I have a song for you. We have a request. We have a request. So I'll drop it. I'll drop it right now. Look at that. See how I marked this? The Green Organic Dutchman is at the bottom. You can almost see the bands are starting to kind of they're gonna turn even, and they're gonna shoot up. Mark my words. This bad boy's gonna explode. They are going to explode the way Saniva did. They've been as high as $8.72. They're at $2.48. They're lower than their IPO price. There's the answer right there. There's the answer. Yeah, man. FSD's popping. It's popping. Round and round we go. Alright, guys. I gotta run. This is your boy Rich. I love you guys. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Yo, listen. If you want to know when I'm live, you gotta hit the bell for notifications. So when you hit subscribe, there's a bell beside it. You actually have to hit that bell, and it'll give you the option to click it and check for notifications. So every single time I go live, you guys will know. Because people keep telling me they don't know when I'm live. Because I always go live at different times. And people are like, why can't you just go live at a certain time? I'm a busy guy. There's a lot of things going on. I got kids. I can't always, I'm taking my kids to school and stuff. I can't always go live at a certain time. So, plus, we're Rich TV Live. We break the news when it's trending. So, you know, that's just what we do. So I ain't going to change what we do. But what I can tell you is that, you know, if you ain't winning, you ain't watching. It's your boy Rich. And I'm out. Peace.
You say chipping on the sides like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro, cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat. I just move when I cruise to the cheat code. Put the limit in. Stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV Live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah. I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where we stop, we just don't know.